During my day off, we were strolling around here in the street nearby, and then we found this stove. So this is a stove for, you know, in the house. You wear this in the house, and then I will try it, and it looked like this, and it's so cool for me, and I like it. Wow, that's great. Yeah. So I tried little moves on it, and then we stumbled in this little restaurant in here, and it's so cool. And we found this chicken broasted, and I like to eat chicken broasted, and I eat a lot of that. And then here we go, we ordered some chicken broasted. It is a 4 pieces, and we just hang out in this restaurant a little bit waiting for our orders. And here we go, there it is, we have it. The coolest thing here in this restaurant, they got a melted cheese, and they have also a garlic paste. They don't serve with the mayonnaise here. They got a garlic paste together with the ketchup, and the coolest thing, it was the melted cheese. So here we go, we're gonna unpack all of this thing. Then we're gonna settle down here at the edge of the table so that we can put our camera, and there we goes. We are going to start now to rumble. Heto na guys, mag-start na tayo ng mukbang with double cheese dito. Melted cheese yan. Ayan, at eto na. Ang sarap nito, I swear. So, punasan natin yung Pepsi para malinis. Ayan. Ganyan, punasan natin. Buksan na natin. Yan, mag-start na tayo. Sarap! Eto, melted cheese. Yan. And this another one. It is a garlic paste. We don't use mayonnaise in here. This one they call it kubus, and they eat this kind of bread. It's a classical bread. The traditional way to eat this broasted, it is the way you wrap this broasted by this kubus bread together with the french fries, and then put some garlic paste, ketchup, or dip in with the melted cheese. It's so easy like that, and it's so cool. The taste, it was so amazing. Hello. Number 1. Panalo ka lang. Okay lang. The best way to eat this chicken broasted with the kubus when it is hot and freshly cooked. The best way to experience all the Arabic food, if you have some local friends or somebody knows where's the best restaurant or some fast food here in Saudi Arabia. Naka-record yan dyan live. Bakit gusto mo ba mag-live? yung mga kasama ko mga kasama mga pumapayag sa mga video. Sarap sa video ng pumapayag.
Diba ayaw na?
Mga restaurant. Ayaw nila eh. Yung iba gusto naman kaya lang.
Samantalang yung iba, gusto nila.
Depende. Nalala mo sa debate yung mga kabataan. Tapos huli sabi niya problema daw.
May mga Saudi, hindi ko gusto niya pagkanak na.
Depende. Depende.
Kasi, gagawin mo business siguro, no? Sa Canada siya.
Depende. Sino masarap sa chicken masa ito?
Ito kasi may bago silang ano.
Pero yung lasa nila hindi masyado mahal. Sa chicken masa, parang sobrang mahal lang.
Hanggang na ako.
Siguro sa oil.
Siguro minsan hindi nila sugar.
Hindi yung oil dapat hindi napapalitan. Okay po yung alak. So ito mukbang ipopost ko next week. Next week na Thursday na. Para may pang-post naman ako sa YouTube. Ginagano namin yung chicken dito sa kubos. Binabalo. Ganyan. Ganyan.
Dun sa ate ko.
Kakabit.
Nakakapag.
Pakita pag nakashare kayo.
Kami na lang ang babayan. Hindi ko patay na yung ate ko. Ang bayan ko lang nandun.
Tapos,
Pangit ang alam ng bayan ko. Ganun, masarap pa lang.
kayo lang na babayan.
Ganun sa buhay. Hindi nagsasalita siya ng hindi maganda.
Pwede gawin down sa mo.
Ha?
Gawin down yung checks mo.
Umiyak lang, ano kaya lang. Pinapagsis ko lang yung internet dahil pa tayo sa ano. Kasi pag-uwi ko pa kasi gagawin ko ng isip yung mukha. Kaya na kasi yung ate ko, ginagin yung ate ko. Yung ate ko, ano, inaano ko. Yung pag-ganda. Maalis naman siya po. Yung kausap namin, pero yung ano, yung nandun na.
Usap okay lang. Yung gawa.
Ang pakiusap ng kasi namin, sambal lang kami na. Hindi yung tira ko, taga-taga. Hindi lang suri yung mga anak mo. Kasi hindi naman yung mapagsulit tatay nila, magaganon.
Kasi mabaka nakaintindi.
Ganun na naranasan nila sa CCTV yung gano'n. Hindi ako nag-fix sa kanila. Ayan ko lang.
Hirap ubusin. Ang hirap ubusin. Yan po natitira, ang hirap ubusin, hindi ko na kayang ubusin. Yan yung mukbang natin ngayon. Pero masarap sa dahil may cheese, melted cheese, at saka merong paste yan, hindi yan mayonnaise. Tapos ayan, yung chicken broasted na titira. Masarap siya, grabe.